Okay, sound check, 1, 2. Alright, thank you so much. Welcome to our second set. Ayan. Ang galing naman ni Madam. Ang galing niyang kumanta. Anak ni Sir Willie. Sir Willie! Tulogin namin. Bigyan ng cherry mo ba yan? Alright. We'll give you a song, something from Adele. Another song by Adele. Tapos yung request ni Kuya. I'm leaving my heart at the door. I won't say a word. Never been said before, you know. So why don't we just play pretend like we're not scared of what is coming us, or scared of having nothing left to do. Get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is easy. This is my last night with you. Hold me like more than just a friend. Give me a memory I can use. Take my body and I'll redo it last you. It never sounds as easy as what if I never loved you. Yes, I'm everywhere. I need your honesty is already in your eyes, and I'm sure my eyes that speak for me. No one knows me like you do. It's easy to be the only one that matters. Tell me, who do I run to? Don't get me wrong, I know there is no tomorrow. All I ask is it. 'Cause what if I never love again? Yes, alright. And that's how we will see Adele. Eh, baka po may mga requests. By One Direction. Tama ba? Kasi, yun yung mga gusto namin, yung mga requests, yan, like dyan. Pero may singer pala tayo dito. Mamaya pakakantayin pa natin ulit. Tapos Ma'am Cindy. Di ba, Ma'am Cindy? If I ever fall in love again. Hello sa ating mga live viewers, ayan. Keep on watching. Tapos mag-request din po kayo. Nandito po sa ilalim ng screen namin yung aming Gcash number. Joke lang. Oo, syempre pag nagre-request, kailangan magsisend din sa Gcash yan. Joke lang. Alright.
Alright, here's your request.
Para sa ating mga photo.
Oh, you're everything that I've been looking for.
Ayan.
And I look into your eyes and could not ask for more. So it would be fair to let it on the line.
Sige, kuya, ikaw muna. Sige. Mikrungga, no? Oo, musikal. Yung sumasayaw ba? Oo. Don't sway. Don't sway my way. Oh, tama. Alright. Ay, sa ating mga live viewers. Ayan na! Sabi nga ni Bossing, mamaya kaya ayan. Marami na request. Don't stray, don't ever go away. Not she be much too smart for this. You know it gets a better on me. So sometimes when you and I collide, I fall into an ocean of me. Going all the time, don't let me down, let me down. I say all because I live. I'm practicing your name so I can say it in the way it doesn't seem right to look you in the eye and all the things you've been to me come tumbling at my mouth. Indeed, it's not like I knew why I said it in looking at you. Oh, you know. Alright, thank you so much, Pira. Alright, thank you so much, and that's your request. Nabunod. Nabunod pala. Alright. Okay na po. Ano yung may patalastas? Sige, okay lang, buti naman. Tapos na, hindi yung bibirit eh. Ay, manaman po yung isa po yung pong request.
Halo. Halo. Kakanta daw
Yan yung mga pinag-ugatan niya mga nanay. Halika na. O, isang taging muna para ano, malakas ang loob.
Dito na po si Madam.
Madam X.
Madam X? Okay,
Madam
ganito lang,
X,
Madam.
ang ka na rito.
Madam, ano na po
Sarap
eh.
ng pangalan niya, X.
Meron lang pong lyrics.
X! X! Madam, Madam X. Kala ko. Ayan na yung isa kong, ayan na po yung isa kong ano, kapatid. Ayan. Yan, kakambal mo ba? Kakambal ko. Dito sa food park. Oo, dito siya kumanta. Ayan, ang kapatid ko. Meron tayong bisita, si Diana Meneses. Di ba? Oh, di ba? Yay! Ayan, galing pa yun sa ano, pinulugan taktak.
Ngayon pa ng video.
Oo, layo. Madam, ano po, kakatayin niyo pa yung o, halika na rito, kakatayin na natin yung ano, tell him. Wala nang wait, halika na rito. Busog pa daw siya. Halika na, kakanta ka na. Ito na kami, oh, nakatayo na nga. Inaantay ka na namin. Kanina ka pa namin naantay. Wala, hilo. Halika, tapos after natin,
Magjujulan ka na yan, papasaya.
ready ka, madam. Sa outfit pa lang, ready ka na. Shocks. Tinan mo, sexy.
Hindi pa sa ready si Ma'am yan.
Sexy, oh. Alam mo? Oh, hawakan nyo yan. Oh,
Parang itong mga to, sabi ko OPM ako eh. Mamaya! Mamaya daw.
Oo, pagtapos ng hilo.
Akala naman nila, lasing na ako, hindi naman.
Yeah.
Remember those walls of
Sabi na eh, lalo sa mother.
Ready yan?
You win, but I let you have it down.
birthday. Magaling ko tell him. Tell him. Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Ayan, ito yung aking kapatid, nakakabatang kapatid.
Yes, Happy Mother's Day po.
Yes! Siya si, Celine Dion.
Oo.
Ako, Joy. Tagal maghanap naman ito. Wala pa ulit mo muna, bebe.
So afraid to show I care.
Celine Dion.
Will it take me weak? It would tremble when I speak. There's another one is taking over. Maybe it's in love. I feel like a fool. Life can be so cruel. I don't know what to do. I've been there with my heart in my hand. But what you must understand, you can't let the chance to love him pass you by. Tell him that the sun and moon rise in his eyes. Reach out to him and whisper. Tell the world so soft and sweet. I only want to feel his heartbeat. I'm with the gift you give yourself. Touch me, be the gentleness you feel inside. Now free, your love can be tonight. The truth will set you free. You have moments you need, only time you see. Tell him that the sun and moon rise in his eyes. Reach out to him and whisper. Tell the world so soft and sweet. Holding on to feel his love. Give me the gift you give yourself. Love is like chili girls in a hot those who know it is steady place I go. Well, with all the fashion you can show tonight, will just show its place. This every time
Once again, Happy
Oh,
Father's Day po.
Oo, Happy Father's Day.
Meron pa po bang mga request po? Baka
Yes,
po natin.
isip. Tapos kinote nyo na agad.
Si Madam Cindy po, baka may request po si Madam. Madam Cindy.
Kakanta pa si
Madam
Madam
Cindy.
Cindy. Halika na.
Dapat pinali daw si Ma'am Cindy.
Oh, shot?
Ayan po, baka po may mga request pa po kayo ha. Ay na ba? Eminem? O sige. Sige.
Kumain ka. May kasama ka. Boyfriend mo? Wala. Joke lang. Ay, kumain ka na doon. Oh, yun. Tapos shock ka din. Kala mo makakaligtas ka. Di ba? Shock ka din.
Alright, here's your request by Eminem and Rihanna.
Oh, ayun. Ay, kakain ka na naman na. Joke lang. Ay, request ni Kuya na nasa labas, yung Almost Over You. Maya-maya pong contact, Kuya. Marami pong number na nakalagay, ano dito. Insert.
Alright, here's your request.
Lot to be live. Ay, Eminem na yan.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright because I like to get hot. Just gonna stand there and help me cry. That's alright because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
I can't tell you what the truth is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now, I'm still alive in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight while I can't fight. As long as the wrong feels right, it's like I'm in a fly. High of love, drop from her hate. It's like I'm hopping fit and we're ignoring where I suffer. I suffocate and right before I'm about to drown. She resuscitates me, she hates me, and I like, wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back, we're riding right back. Here we go again, I to be safe, but when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman, you know, when it's back. She's so slave, but when it's back, it's awful. I was so ashamed, I snapped, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I laid hands on her, I never stood so low again, I guess, and I don't know my own strength.
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and help me cry. That's alright because I like the way you lie. Love the way you lie.
You ever love somebody so much you can barely breathe when you're really with me, and neither one of you, even though I didn't get that warm fuzzy feeling, yet it kills just to get it. Now you're getting sick of looking at it. You swore you'd never hit it, never do nothing to hurt it. Now you're seeking outer space, use venoms in your words when you spit it. You push, pull each other's hair, scratch, small bit and throw it down. Venom, so lost in the moments when you're ready, it's a race that's too comfortable. So they say it's best to go your separate ways. Guess that they don't know you 'cause today, that was yesterday. Yesterday is over, it's a different day. Sound like broken records playing over, but you promised her next time you show restraint. You don't get another chance. Life is no Nintendo game, but you let it get. Now you get to watch her leave out the window. Guess that's why they call it Kingdom Pain.
Just gonna stand there and watch me lie. It's alright because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and help me cry. Well, it's alright because I like the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
Now I know we said things, did things that we didn't mean, and we fall back into the same patterns, same routine. But your temper's just about as mine. You're the same as me when it comes to love, we're expanding. Baby, please come back. It wasn't you, maybe it was me. Maybe your relationship isn't as crazy as it seems. Maybe that's what happens when a tornado hits away, don't come inside. Pick up your bags off the sidewalk. Don't you hear sincerity in my voice when I talk? Told you this is my fault. I'm getting the eyeball. Next time I'm pissed, I'll lay my fists on the drywall. Next time, there won't be no next try. I apologize, even though I know it's lies. I'm tired of the games, I just want her back. I know I'm a liar if she ever tries to leave again. I'm tired to the bed and set this house on fire. Just gonna
Watch me burn, but it's alright because I like the way you hurt. Just gonna sit there and let me cry.
oh yeah.
It's alright because I like the way you lie.
I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie.
How the way you lie.
Alright, thank you so much. And that's your request.
Halika, ikaw naman. Ayan. Ayan. Basta pag po meron po kayong request, basta alam po namin yan, is kakantay po namin. At pag may narinig kayo, gumanon, ano yun? At parang naipit, gano'n. Parang naipit ba? Kunwari, wala lang yun. Baliwalain nila yun. Wala lang yun.
Ayan, si Ma'am Cindy balita ako magaling kumanta yan. Kaya pang pinali yan mamaya.
Talaga? Mamaya makakajam ka na. Alright, we'll give you something from Julian Kenton. Mahirap to, mahirap. Sobrang hirap.
Itong kanta na to hindi pa nakakapag-move on. Pero move on na.
Ikaw ka na?
Oo. Nilalagay ng
Nakarelate ka, no?
Sobrang hirap.
Oo, sobrang hirap pa.
Yeah.
Alright.
Sure, thank you so much po.
Ano pa? Alright. Kakatayin ko muna yung request ni Kuya Sandras. Yung Almost Over You. Almost Over You. Almost Over You. Nagbigay sa akin ng ano yun, 100K. Si Kuya. Alright. Alright, I'll give you our last two songs. Here's your request.
Paborito ko yan.
Yes, sa mga live viewers. Sure, like and subscribe. So when old friends lost today, she asked about you, didn't quite know what to say. How you been making around, help me. Why I've been trying to make tears disappear. Now I'm almost over you. I'm almost to these blues. So when you come back around after fading the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. You said just like one with your cold heart, made believe it came easy, but it tore me apart. Time you told me, say, and I should know, 'cause it seems like forever, but I'm letting you go. Now I'm almost over you. I'm almost to these blues. So when you come back around after fading down, you'll see I'm almost over you. I can't forgive you and soon I'll forget all my shattered dreams. Although you left me with nothing to show for love so when you come back around after fading the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. So when you come back around after fading the town, you'll see I'm almost over you. Yan, Lord, thank you so much. And next request ko yan. Nasa labas ka na. Alright, we'll give you something from the foundation. Sige, after ito, mag-wake up.
Alright.
you